This is the course on how to create a powerful alter ego and why you should. And you are here. Welcome.
Hi, I'm Marilisa Fabrega. I'm the owner of the blog Daring to Live Fully, and today I'm going to share with you this course on how to create a powerful alter ego and why you should. What is an alter ego? An alter ego is a second self created by the individual, usually to achieve certain goals or to live out a better version of themselves. You can think of an alter ego as a character or a way of thinking about yourself that accentuates or magnifies the authentic you. An alter ego can also allow you to bring forth certain aspects of your personality that you normally don't give voice to, but which can serve you well in certain situations. When most people think of alter egos, they think of comic books. We all know Playboy billionaire Bruce Wayne. He runs his business empire during the day, but at night, he dons a cape and mask and turns into his alter ego, the vigilante Batman. Peter Parker works as a photographer for the Daily Bugle, but his alter ego Spider-Man makes an appearance whenever someone needs to be saved or there's crime to fight. Keep in mind, however, that alter egos aren't just for comic books. Instead, anyone can use the figure of an alter ego in order to help them out in any life area. Whatever you do or whatever your goals may be, having an alter ego can help you to do it better. In the next section of this introduction, I'm going to share with you some examples of celebrities who have used alter egos in order to take their performance to the next level. In the video after that, I'm going to show you how ordinary people, everyday, normal people, can use alter egos in order to help them to achieve their goals. Then, in the last video of this introduction, I'm going to show you how this course is organized. By the end of this course, which includes 7 Create Your Alter-Ego Worksheets, you'll be well on your way to get started on an important life goal with your alter ego there to help you out.